SPF DKIM and DMARC best practices for Mailgun. Warmy blog. Enhancing email security with Mailgun involves implementing SPF, DKIM, and DMARC protocols effectively. These measures are crucial for optimal email protection and deliverability, ensuring your messages reach their intended recipients. SPF, Sender Policy Framework, prevents spam by validating sender IP addresses. Domain owners specify authorized mail servers using TXT records and DNS, protecting their from address from being forged. SPF prevents email forgery by verifying sender IP addresses, improving deliverability, and enhancing domain legitimacy. However, it has limitations, such as issues with forwarded emails, failing SPF tests, and only verifying the sending server, not the visible sender's address. Check for existing SPF records using a DNS lookup tool. Avoid multiple SPF records. For a new record, create a TXT record in your DNS settings with $SPF1 include mailgun.org ~all. If modifying, add include mailgun.org to the existing record. Save and allow up to 48 hours for propagation. Verify using an SPF tool like MX Toolbox. DKIM uses cryptography to verify email authenticity by associating a digital signature with a domain. It prevents spoofing and ensures message integrity, enhancing email security. Log into Mailgun, generate DKIM keys, and add the provided public key to your DNS as a TXT record. Save the record and wait up to 48 hours for propagation. Validate the setup with Mailgun's tools or MX Toolbox. DMARC improves email security by enforcing policies on SPF and DKIM, blocking spoofed emails, and providing reports for better email strategy adjustments. Select a DMARC policy level: none, quarantine, or reject. Create a TXT record in DNS at _DMARC, yourdomain.com with your chosen policy and reporting email. Save and allow up to 48 hours for propagation. Warmy.io's free email test checks your SPF, DKIM, and DMARC settings and provides a detailed report on authentication, deliverability, IP reputation, and overall email health. It helps identify configuration errors and IP blacklisting issues, improving email delivery and ensuring your emails reach recipients' inboxes. Free SPF and DMARC generators create accurate records by guiding you through the setup process, ensuring proper email authentication and security. Ensure consistent SPF, DKIM, and DMARC settings across all domains and subdomains. Use specific configurations, different DKIM selectors, and centralized DMARC reporting. Automate updates and regularly audit settings. If you enjoyed this, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons before you go. Keep an eye out for future updates.